Okay, so this is what you call too much solder on the rail whenever you're soldering rail joiners to your track. If you look very closely, let's see, right here, I've got a little too much solder on top of my rail. So I want to be able to remove that. And I have a little bit of a background in electronics, and years ago, whenever we had a circuit that was that had too much solder on it, you need to remove a little bit of it, but you don't want to use a desoldering iron or anything, or a desoldering pump. You can use what's called solder wick. It looks kind of like this. Sorry for the extreme close-up, but it comes in a roll. It's braided wire like that. So I can get it. It's basically braided wire, and I think it might actually have a little bit of it might be pre-fluxed. Anyway, let's see if we can remove that excess solder with the wick off the rail. So I can get it back in focus. Trying to do a little bit of self video here. So if I heat it up, I'm using a nice Weller iron that I've had for many, many years. I've actually got two of these. I think they're roughly 40-watt irons with adjustable temperature control. There we go, it's coming off. So you basically heat it up. As you rub it, well, let me retin my tip. This tip is pretty old, but I think it's going to work. There we go, it's flowing the solder. So, let's see. I think that should be smoothing. Yeah, I think that did it. I got a little bit right here on this rail. Let's see if I can do the same thing. I might be able to just flow it. Yeah, let's see if I can remove it. Try to do this without solder flux because I'm not using a water-based solder flux. I have a rosin-based flux, and if you use rosin-based flux, I think that's what it's actually called, you have to clean it off. I'm trying to avoid that, but I think that worked pretty well. Need to refocus. Yeah, there we go.